Oh, hold on.
Holy shiza, that sucks.
Wow.
Might want to get around. Oof.
Hang up the phone. Whoa! Are you me? Like, so many of these things I didn't remember. Like, I don't remember things that way. I don't remember employees at Walgreens.
Fucking Jersey.
Sleepy.
Los clientes deben demostrar que tienen la capacidad para pagar el préstamo. Los préstamos son hechos o dispuestos en conformidad con la licencia de la ley prestamistas financieras.
Cash prizes, pet psychic, the Take Me Home Adoption Zone, and more. Get all the info and details at WRK.com.
103.1 WIRK.
Crazy when it comes to shopping. I will try to work on that. No, you won't. I really won't.
The Goldbergs, tonight at 7 on CW34.
All right, what do we want for dinner?
We could go to Publix.
You know, we need something new. Something exciting. Something that will take our taste buds to other worlds. Let's immerse ourselves in the flavors. Let's say goodbye to the...
Semaine. Mais on peut vous assurer qu'en assurant votre moto ou votre bateau, vous pouvez économiser en moyenne 150 $. 1888, la capitale.
Ben oui, t'es à...
Évoluer avec une tenue de route plus raffinée
Merci,
que
mon
jamais.
Dieu.
Subaru Trois-Rivières vous offre la Subaru Forester 2018 à 386 $ par mois en location 48 mois à un taux de
Él no va pendejo, what?
Been an accident. Holy I go. I gotta go.
Okay, so I realize that every day when we get in our cars, we're taking a risk. Other people are on the road, we're on the road, we make mistakes, there's a lot of things you're watching, it happens. But today was a little bit different. What almost happened today wasn't really a mistake. It was some moron doing something very illegal and very dangerous. Watch what happens here. Now, before we talk about how the Tesla responded to this situation, which is nothing short of incredible, let me first paint the picture of what's going on here. This is a 4-lane main arterial with a turn lane going down the center. It's a very big turn lane as it turns onto a very busy road. The driver was sitting right here and was only allowed to turn right. I was coming up down from the backside here, heading north and turning into my turn lane. He cut across all the different lanes here, crossed the WL line into my lane, through all the traffic that was lined up through here. Now, what's so terrifying about this is I couldn't even see that car because it was coming right between two other cars until it was too late. In fact, what even makes it worse was I was checking my right side mirror, so when this happened, when he came through, I didn't even see him. In fact, what you guys just saw, the first part of that video, I didn't even see that happen. I saw it for the first time on the Tesla cam. But watch what happens here. We're heading down the road like you've seen before. I'm in the left turn lane. I'm checking my right mirror, and all of a sudden the car lurches and brakes. In the time that my car hit the brakes and I whirled around and stomped on the brakes myself, it was about a second. But that 1 second would have put me teed right into that car. Now, I was on my way to ballet with my 3 little kids in the back in their car seats. So unfortunately, this is one of those few times I didn't have my GoPro running inside the car to show you guys what was on the screen. But it was incredible. I mean, I want you just to think about how powerful this is that just happened, because like I said, I'm looking to the right, car just, I just hear the flow of the car go like this. And I just turn and look down like this, and I see the car all red on my screen as it's cutting in front of me, and the car is just braking. I don't know what would have happened if I hadn't stomped on the brakes. I would like to believe that the autopilot would have just continued to hit the brakes, but it was just that quick second, maybe even half a second, before I got my feet on the brakes hard. But we were inches. I mean, you saw when that car came in front of me there, you could even see the full back of the car, because we were that close. And if I had waited for my own reaction time to stop for that car, we would have absolutely hit it, because the car is looking at all angles all the time. It's not checking the mirror to the right. It's not looking in the rear view mirror. As soon as I look in the rear view mirror, checking my right camera, left camera, which by the way is the right way to drive, your eyes aren't in the other directions that it could be looking, whereas the Tesla is always looking in all those directions. So I'm just so thankful to have that Tesla. I'm so glad that it saved us there. I can't wait to see how it gets better. So what I am doing right now is I'm putting together a video of what is so safe about autopilot versus just a normal driver not using autopilot. All those features, what makes a difference, what makes it safer, what makes it not safer in other situations. So if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, be sure to do that. Be sure to like this video so other people can get out there and see why autopilot is so key, just so important and so safe. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.
And don't forget, if If you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.